What's up? How are you? Hope you're fine now. Welcome back to another video about Polygon Matic, guys. In this video, I'm talking about a latest price update of Polygon. What's the price? What's the price changes occur in the Polygon Matic? Let me show you guys. But before starting this video, please subscribe my channel for more news and update videos, guys. So, guys, first of all, if we talk about the price of Polygon Matic right now, so 1.15 USD dollar, that is the right now price of Polygon. Furthermore, guys, if we talk about the changes occurs in the Polygon Matic, so now the last 1 hour update is about positive 0.53%. 0.53% changes occurs in the Polygon Matic. Other side, the last 1 day changes is negative 4.5%. Last 1 week change is negative 7%, guys. Just only last 1 hour update is positive, except of last 1 hour completely the changes is going negative, guys. Here you can see here that is the last 1 month price chart, and the change is about negative 29.28% negative. You can see here, guys, from 4th September Polygon start dumping, and still, guys, just only now as I show you that the last 1 hour update Polygon start jumping, guys. So, guys, you know what, guys, now it is the last of September, only 10 days remaining, 9 days remaining in the September month. So, guys, I'm sure that now Polygon will start pumping, guys, and I hope, guys, that the remaining days of September, Polygon will continue for a long time this jump, guys. So that's why, guys, I recommend for you to please hold, don't decide to sell, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like this video. Subscribe now our channel.